Hello. Hey guys. All right, so I was just in my group for my members. Let me move this just a little bit. And I showed them how to make a natural deodorant. So sometimes natural deodorants don't really work for some people, and it's because they're skipping a really important step. And by the way, this is like 4 ingredients. It's so super easy to make. I'm downloading the video right now and I'm gonna put it on my YouTube page. So I'll come back a little bit later and post a link for that so that you all can see how to make this. It's so super easy. This will also be on my YouTube page or channel or whatever it's called. I'm new to that. I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to Instagram. I'm trying to figure out all the things and do all the things. But okay, so we're gonna talk about detoxing your pits. Yep, I said it. You need to detox your armpits. It works so much better if you do that. It gets out, hey Missy, it gets out all the toxins. It's really easy to do. And you guys, I've showed you how to do a clay mask for your face. I've showed you that a few times. And I know you guys, some of you guys are doing it. And you understand that you need to do that for your face, but you also need to do it for your armpits. You should maybe do it on your feet. It just draws out toxins. We get toxins even if you're 100% organic in all your products and all the things that you're using. You eat organic food, you use all the organic products. We're still getting toxins in our bodies just from the air that we breathe. Unless you put yourself in a bubble, you still have toxins. So let me show you how to get them out. This is one really super easy way. All right, we have bentonite clay. You can get it at all kinds of places. The one rule with bentonite clay is you don't want to ever touch it with metal. I read somewhere why. It's too complicated. I don't really care. All I care is that they said don't use metal in bentonite clay. So it's super easy just to grab something plastic. If you want to look it up and Google it, you can come back and let me know why, but I just know not to do it. So, okay, 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. If y'all know color personalities, I'm not green, I'm red, blue, and so I don't care about those details. I just want to do what I'm told. So, all right, 1 tablespoon bentonite clay. Then 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Are you guys drinking apple cider vinegar in your water? Get the one that has the, you need raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. It sounds gross and it looks weird, and you want to be sure you shake it up really good before you drink it, but a little bit of this in a fruit smoothie or in your water, you'll have lots more energy and it helps get those toxins out too. It's really good for all kinds of things, so you can Google that. So we need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and it's probably going to spill over, and that's okay. So we're just gonna, and then, oh shoot, I forgot, oh no, I have the water. Okay, I happen to have water. All right, what you need is like a sour cream consistency. So you want to start with 1 teaspoon of water and stir it up really good. And then if your consistency's off, like mine's too watery for some reason, so I'm going to put a little more of the bentonite clay in here until I get like a sour cream consistency. And if you store this in a little jar with a good tight lid, then you have a couple days worth of the mixture that you can use a couple times, because you want to try to do it a couple times. And then all you do is just rub it on your armpits, let it sit for 5 to 20 minutes. As long as you can stand, as long as you do 5 minutes minimum, and that's going to help draw out some toxins. But if you go up to 20 minutes, that's great. And then just rinse it off in the shower. So maybe while you're getting your shower ready and getting your clothes and all that, you could have that sitting in your underneath your arms while you're waiting, and then hop in the shower and rinse it off. So it does not smell good, but you can wash the smell away. You all know how apple cider vinegar smells, but it's super easy and it's super healthy to do. And I will be putting a link to make my homemade deodorant, and it works really well. And so I would recommend you guys look at your deodorant and look at the products that are in it, especially like aluminum. If you Google the dangers of aluminum, that's some bad stuff. And then fragrance is just chemicals, lots and lots of chemicals that you're putting into your body by putting it on your skin. So look that up, flip over the labels of the things you're using and look some of these things up. You would be surprised. So just put dangers of aluminum and Google. Oh, yay, Missy, yay. And you love how it smells. Detox first. Yes, it'll work a lot better if you detox. It's super quick and easy. You probably already have apple cider vinegar in your house. So you just, if you don't have bentonite clay, you live close, I can bring you some. So just let me know, because this little thing will last forever. So, all right, I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later.